We're getting breakfast. Oh my god. That is really tempo run.
Yeah, it's really.
Oh my god, this is the way to the beach.
Oh my god.
We're under a cave. That's so cool. We did surfing, it was so fun. Now we're getting massage. It's only 1:46. Beef lemongrass with quinoa. Meditation yoga center. Damn. Oh my god. Wow. So pretty.
Wait, guys, let's take off our shoes.
We have here, you can plug in here.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yes, dude, it's so nice.
Shit, look at the shower, dude.
Oh my god. How many showers do we have? There's 2. Wait, I'm 2. Okay. Why are you guys taking a shower?
Oh my god. I can do in room. Oh my god. So cute.
Dude.
We're at the RockBar.
So fucking pretty.
We're going actually.
What is that? It looks so dreamy.
Wow.
Why do you take the tap?
Wow. The view must be amazing. This would be the ocean. Or too late.
The room itself is like kind of. Oh shit.
Is this underwear or short?
Music.
Such a short ride.
Where's the... You need to see that, not us.
No, I'm looking at it. Second fry.
We're leaving.
So fucking extra.
Did you text the guy?
That was fun. Yeah,
I didn't text the guy yet. Wait, let me. Good morning! Getting ready. Jump in, Jerry! It's cold. I'm gonna risk. I can't put it there.
Wait, Helen, do you know how to dive?
Why? No, I cannot. Can you?
Didn't get to see.
Third day! We are going to snorkeling. So they're doing parasailing now, and I am waiting, and I will be doing flyboard by myself. I'm so excited. And reapplying sunscreen. Our butts were burnt from surfing. Maybe they're there. Or maybe it's seafood. The water is so clear. Look at that. So much going on. I want to do jet ski next time.
She got it!
Go, Helen!
Nice.
Oh, she did it. She's so great. She's doing it.
Ow!
Just need to go look up. Got up, more. Got up. Got up, more. Good! Tahan tinggi-tinggi.
So cute.
Wait, my skin's so glowing. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
look at you. Oh my god, that's us.
God, so
That's
fast.
us. Oh my god.
Cut it like that. Where?
so pretty here.
The peanut sauce is really
Right? The salt water.
I'm gonna get like the egg.
We're getting in for massage right now. So exciting. And potato head. Oh my god. Going to a coffee house. I'm not feeling so well. I just want to chill today. Last day. Time flies.